Hi, greetings and welcome to Dapur Shaila. Hi friends, have you ever tried banana florets? It's delicious when cooked with coconut milk or boiled. It has a texture like meat or fish, which is why it's perfect as a meat replacement for vegans. Today I will be making something a little different. Crispy fried banana florets. For this recipe, we will be using 1 banana blossom. But first we have to clean it. It's really quite simple and fun. Just follow these easy steps. Cut and discard the stalk. Then peel the outermost bracts or petals and pluck out the florets. We have to do it like this for each layer of the blossom. There, it's easy, right? The deeper we go, the more delicate the florets will get. Peel as many bracts as possible. Eventually, you will get to a point where it can't be peeled anymore. Cut the remaining blossom into 4 and set them aside. Now it's time to clean the banana florets. Remove the calyx and the pistil from each florets. Discard both of these as they are very bitter and not suitable for consumption. To prevent the florets from blackening, soak them in salt water mixed with a tablespoon of salt. For the wet batter, mix 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder, 1 teaspoon of fennel powder, 1 tablespoon of dried chili powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 tablespoon of rice flour, 1 tablespoon of corn flour, and 1 tablespoon of KFC flour. If you are new to this channel, take some time to subscribe and don't forget to press the bell button to get the latest videos from Dapur Shaila. Next, add a little water and stir until it is well mixed. Add more water if necessary so that the mixture is thick like this. Don't let the batter be too watery or it won't stick to the florets. Dip the banana florets in batter until it's completely coated. Okay, now that everything is ready, we can start frying. In a wok, heat about 1 liter of oil. Put the florets in the oil and fry until they turn golden brown. Don't forget to flip the florets and fry the other side. Once they are done, remove and strain the oil. Repeat until all the florets are done. Here we are. Crispy fried banana florets is ready. Dip it in your favorite sauce for a delicious snack anytime. That's today's recipe from Dapur Shaila. See you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe, and hit the bell icon to get the latest videos, and also like, comment and share.